friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techker. In this video, I'll be explaining how you can actually install the super wallpapers in the Poco X3 device. So right now I'm using the Poco X3 smartphone. The phone comes with the MIUI 12 version by default out of the box, but still it doesn't have any super live wallpapers which is present in the Redmi K20 Pro device and other smartphones. So we don't get that kind of live wallpapers in the Poco X3 device, but this is a video which will be very much helpful if you want to install this kind of super live wallpaper theme in your Poco X3 smartphone. So which has very good advantage if you are installing this kind of live wallpapers, so which looks pretty good, and animations as well. And try to watch till end of the video to get to know more details. And meanwhile, try to join my Telegram group as well. In my Telegram group, I did upload the direct zip files and all the APKs necessary for this super live wallpaper which is present, as you can see here. So try to join in my Telegram group and stay up to date connected regarding the APKs and everything. I'll be posting all the things in my Telegram group only. So let's get started with the live wallpapers. So once you download the file from the Telegram group, so you need to unzip the file. So once you unzip, you do get different categories. So one is the Mars APK, one is a normal Earth planet APK. So two different APKs you will get after you unzip the file. So once you install the APKs, there will be two different wallpapers in the Poco X3 as well, as you can see here, friends. So right now I did install one of the wallpaper, and let me demonstrate you how you can install in this smartphone. And in case if you want to know more details about the Poco X3, try to check the playlist also for more details. So let's get started with that installation. So just press the wallpapers and go to the live wallpapers. So the first top column you can see Earth Super Wallpaper. As soon as you click, you do get this kind of option where you need to select the wallpaper. As you can see, friends, right now the live wallpaper has been set. There is a super live wallpaper which is present. So let me try to demonstrate in other smartphone where I got here. So here is a Poco F2 Pro smartphone. So let me try to bring it close. As you can see, friends. So let me try to increase the brightness as well slightly here. So you can compare both phones side by side how it looks, as you can see here, in terms of the animations and everything. So let me try to lock the screen and open the phone. As you can see that animation, whenever you unlock the smartphone, you do get this kind of very good animation effect if you're using this kind of live wallpapers. So it is the Redmi K20 Pro, so which I have enabled the always on display functionality as well. Just observe the animations, how good it looks in the Redmi K20 Pro. As you can see, friends, so you do get that kind of very good effect in the Redmi K20 Pro, but you cannot find in this phone, in the Poco X3 smartphone, because the Redmi K20 Pro has the always on display functionality and AMOLED panel, and the Poco X3 doesn't have the always on display, and it's not integrated with the wallpaper. So that's why you cannot see this kind of option. But you can see this even when you're locking the phone, you do get that kind of zoom out effect. That's a very good feel you do get if you're using this kind of wallpapers. So let me try to click the power button. As you can see, as soon as you click the power button, it zooms in and zooms out. So that's another good advantage in terms of having this super live wallpaper as well. So make sure to join my Telegram group for if you want to download this wallpaper in your mobile phone. And that's it, friends. This is pretty simple. Download the zip file from the Telegram group, unzip that, and install the APKs of the different categories you want. Once you install, that's it. You can directly select the live wallpaper in the Poco X3 smartphone. And for more videos, make sure to follow me regularly, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.